what? Well, I just think, for starters, that sometimes the government has things they can't tell us. Rhode Island City? That's gotta be a tough job. That's happened to me! Ooh, you look tense. Oh my God, who's your cute little friend? No, I think it's called specific time. They mean it starts specifically at 10. I was watching something on TV about this guy named Hitler. Somebody should stop him. I threw up a lot in high school, so I don't get my period anymore. I know, right? I know, it's good, right? I just wish they didn't have to kill so many lemons to make it. Hey, you want to know something cool? Hey, Oogie. Think about this. Have you ever seen the sun and the moon in the same place at the same time? Come on, let's go out dancing. Come on in, who wants a drink? Can you believe that? Are you coming over to watch Laguna Beach tonight? Anyone else have to go to the little girls' room? I have new gloss. And truthishly, we should just accept that.